This is a glimpse inside the Bali by Design retreat, a space created for beauty, clarity, creativity, and soul. We begin here, not just with a welcome, but with a release. A moment to exhale the rush we've carried, to return to our breath, to the land, and to ourselves. This sacred water ceremony reminds us to slow down, to let go, and to open ourselves to whatever is ready to rise. In Bali, art is not separate from life. It's woven into the everyday, into rhythm, ritual, and community. We spent time with creators whose work is rooted in memory and meaning. And we're reminded that inspiration doesn't rush, it's received. We stepped into a space where creativity wasn't just taught, it was felt. Surrounded by nature and quiet intention, we remembered that inspiration begins with presence. Not with trends or timelines, but with earth, tradition, and touch. And in that stillness, we shape beauty with our own hands, woven, imperfect, and alive. Not everything needs structure. Some moments are just meant to be lived. Laughter over long lunches, sunlight on our skin, joy that isn't rushed or curated. Here, connection happens naturally. In movement, in music, in presence. Sometimes inspiration finds us in quiet places, among stories told through canvas, light, and shadow. We slow down and see differently, not just with our eyes, but with memory, meaning, and imagination. This is what the week offers, a chance to be moved, sparked, and seen in new ways. Design tells a story. Throughout the week, we explore spaces where soul and structure meet, places that spark new visions and quiet reflection. We were guided in ancient Balinese rituals, small sacred gestures to carry home. We came together in circle, not to perform, but to reflect, to witness one another, to speak what's true. These are the moments that root us and remind us what we're ready to design next, within and beyond. Bali calls us back to what matters, to beauty, rhythm, and soul. If something in you is ready to reconnect, to create, to remember who you are, this space is waiting.